Okay, what is up guys? It's Moonlight, the channel, back at it again. And yeah, today I'm continue working on my SLK. So I've done a lot. It's been 2 weeks since last upload. I've repaired the electronics, so now the car drives safe and really good. The only thing that's missing now, I have some rust underneath my car. So today, or I don't know if I'll manage to do everything today, but the plan is taking off the seat, taking off the carpet, and starting welding on a car. I've welded before, but I've never welded on a car, so this will be interesting. And once that's finished, the car is basically ready, road legal. So yeah, that'll be fucking interesting. Yeah, I felt like showing you guys. Got myself a new Zippo. And I really nice. Fucking love Zippos. And yeah, got the car over there. Words to say the words to remember. So I took and disconnected the battery before I'll be doing any welding. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna rev the car, lift it up. Yeah, before I lift it up, I should actually try and get the interior out, the seat and the carpet. So that's something I'll do first. On your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Okay, so yeah, this rust was kind of ugly. So I have a little bit of work to do here. But yeah, the rust holes, there's one of them. That's something I needed to repair. And yeah, I believe there's one further up. So I might have to get the carpet more off. But yeah, there's a bit of rust to fix. God damn.
Now we will go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days.
Yeah, here you guys have it. This is the worst part, and really it's not that big. It's, as you guys can see, it's basically at the size of my thumb. Same with the back here, size of my thumb. So yeah, and there's rust falling off. I'm trying to get rid of as much of rust as possible. I'll have to grind it down. What it looks like the previous lady that owned this car hit something that something metallic that dented inwards and yeah, exposed the metal. So we got some bubble. Just get away. We got bubbles all the way. So at the back here I'll have to do some rust repair, and in front of here too. But otherwise it's not really bad. However, this will be interesting because I'm not used to welding on the car, and I'll have to try to give myself some more space underneath, or just simply remove more of the interior so that it will be easier. I think that I'll have to remove this console so that I can get the carpet out. That'll help a lot more. Okay, managed to get the carpet out. Sadly, I had to cut it up. Some of you guys will not approve of this, and I apologize for you guys. But for me, this car is cheap. I don't really care. Or don't get me wrong, I do care, but I know that once I put the carpet back in, it will not be that visible. because I try to follow lines, and also it's way down by the pedals, so you won't see much of it. And yeah, it gave me now access to the rust, and from over top it looks really bad. And the reason that it has been rusting is because underneath the carpet you have these sort of a foam, and these have been sucking water in the canals here once the back end was open, so slowly and surely it rusted the entire line. However, the only rust repair I need to really do for getting it legally on the road is back here. As you guys can see, it goes straight through, like there and there, and at the back over there I have to do rust. And I saw there was a hole also underneath here, yeah, as you guys can see. So I'll be patching up 3 holes. This one will be a bit more complicated because the wires are here. I absolutely must not ruin these wires, so I don't know how I will do it. I believe that I'll put some protective sheet underneath the wire and then weld it from underneath. I believe that will be the simpler, the easiest way. But yeah, otherwise I'll try to scrape down as much rust as I can, and use some rust protective to try and stop the rust from spreading. So yeah, now all I think to do right now is to clean up here, because there's a lot of stones and chips and everything. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, I got this wait a minute. Let's just put that in the brake bound. Yeah, so I got it all cleaned, and yeah, now let's use this bad boy right here. So I'm just gonna hold the camera right there, and I'm gonna use this metal grinder boxy thingy like this. Ah shit, fuck, I didn't think this through. Be right back. Okay, now that I got the right tool, just screw this one in. Whoop. Yeah, and then this bad bitch is ready to be used. That's gonna hurt. But yeah, next thing to do is fucking wear protection. So glasses on and the mask. Most important stuff about all of this is being protected. So yeah, let's start grinding.
Told you my level of concern, but you walk by like you never heard. You could bring down my level of concern. Just need you to tell me we're alright, tell me we're okay. Panic on the brain, Michael's gone insane. Julie starts to make me nervous. I don't really care what they would say. I'm asking you to stay. My bunker underneath the surface, wondering, would you be my little quarantine, or is this the way it ends? 'Cause I told you my level of concern, but you walk by like you never heard. And you could bring down my level of concern. Just need you to
Okay, so here we have the first piece of metal. It's not beautiful, however I don't really care. This is not about doing a perfect job. This is just to get the car road legal. This car was dirt cheap, so yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna try for the first time to weld some stuff in the car. That would be interesting.
But you walk by like you never heard. You could bring down my level of concern. Just need you to tell me we're alright. Tell me we're okay. I need you to tell me we're alright. Tell me we're okay. Need you to tell me we're alright. Tell me we're okay. I need you to tell me we're alright. Tell me we're okay. Need you to tell me we're alright. Tell me we're okay. Need you now. I need you now. 'Cause I told you my level of concern, but you walk by like you know.
Okay, so we're back. I finally finished with my SLK. Now it's basically ready to get EU checked or the MOT checked. So let's get inside of the car. So yeah, I've done a lot of fixing, and the car is finally ready to be road legal, or at least that I've done enough repairs. I believe that it should slide through the control. So yeah, my plan was to make this video end by the time I had it on the road, but I guess that I'll make this video a two-part and just end it up right now. And because I've been talking a lot already, I think that I want to keep talking for this video and just tell you guys where I'm at for the channel. I'm soon hitting 100 subscribers, which is kind of cool. Fun, always fun to do. And I plan to be better at uploading consistently, and not only that, but I plan also to do better videos, because I've noticed that most of my videos, it's just me talking, and I think I'll try to change it up, make it more content where you see the vehicle. So as ironic this is, because right now I'm talking, this is just me telling to you guys that I plan to make more interesting content for you guys. So please do subscribe, please help me out. My goal for this year is to hit between 500 to 1,000 subscribers, so that would be kind of interesting, and it can be possible. I just have to be more consistent and upload a lot more videos, and I believe that when this car is road legal, there'll be a whole lot of content to do. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, see you guys to the next one. Bye bye.